Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix taskbar keeps popping up while playing games on Windows 11. First method is press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys. Restart Windows Explorer. Second method is change taskbar settings. Third method, turn off game mode. Fourth method is change Copilot settings. Fifth method is change notification settings. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.